Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app. So guys, when you want to download any app from App Store in your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your iPhone. And guys, first of all you need to make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection. So guys, if you have Wi-Fi, then you need to turn on your Wi-Fi, and guys if you have mobile data, then you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your Apple ID, and guys simply first of all you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys after sign out you need to sign in again on your iPhone. And guys after this you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on screen time. And guys after this you need to click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys you need to turn on this tab. And guys after this first of all you need to click on iTunes and App Store purchases. And guys after this first one option, installing app, you need to make it allow. And guys after this you need to go back, and here you can see here is the option of don't require. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys after this you need to go back. And guys you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general. And guys after this you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And guys after doing this you need to click on date and time, and make sure that date and time is set automatically on your iPhone. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, click on general, and click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So guys simply you need to click on update now, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to download any kind of app from App Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.